Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August 7th, 2020. Trump prepares ban for ByteDance and even Tencent. U.S. President Donald Trump on Thursday stated he will impose sweeping bans on U.S. transactions with TikTok's owner, Chinese company ByteDance, and even with the world's famous tech giant Tencent Holdings Inc., in a move which can have tangible implications for American companies. While the action against ByteDance was not a huge surprise, the move against WeChat's owner was. That's because Tencent is one of the most valuable companies in the world, with ownership stakes in the biggest U.S. video game companies, including Riot Games, Epic Games, and Activision Blizzard. Chinese company also has significant stakes in Tesla Inc. and Snapchat maker Snap Inc. According to the executive orders, the main reason of ban is that data collection threatens to allow the Chinese Communist Party access to Americans' personal and proprietary information. Tencent shares lost around 10% on Friday after the announcement. Global shares fall after Trump's ban decision. Global share markets slumped on Friday after U.S. President Donald Trump announced a move which can worsen already heated tensions with China, banning U.S. transactions with two popular Chinese apps, Tencent's WeChat and ByteDance's TikTok. European indexes are expected to open lower, with Euro Stoxx 50 futures losing 0.3%, while the American S&P 500 futures fell 0.5%. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan declined 1%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng tumbled 1.8% as Tencent, Asia's second biggest company by market capitalization, dropped as much as 10.1%. Mainland China's CSI 300 index also traded 1.9% lower, while Japan's Nikkei was down 0.6%. Meanwhile, on Wall Street on Thursday, the S&P 500 rose 0.64% and the Nasdaq Composite added 1%, marking the first straight day of record highs. Intercontinental Exchange buys Ellie Mae. The owner of the New York Stock Exchange, Intercontinental Exchange, unveiled a plan to buy mortgage software firm Ellie Mae in an exchange giant's move to digitize the U.S. mortgage industry and to expand its presence in this market. The deal, with private equity firm Thoma Bravo evaluated in $11 billion, including debt, while the company acquired Ellie Mae last year for $3.7 billion. Atlanta-based ICE is funding 84% of the deal's price tag with cash and the rest with newly issued stock. The deal is expected to close in the third or fourth quarter of 2020. China recovers from fall with strong exports rise. China's economy continued to recover in July, along with exports show the strongest rise this year, adding the hopes for a quick emergence from a record contraction. According to the customs data, July's exports climbed 7.2% from a year earlier, marking the fastest pace since December last year and surpassing analyst forecasts for a 0.2% drop. However, the country's imports dropped 1.4%, missing market expectations for a 1% increase.